Hi friends, my name is Ramesh. I'm a working professional. This is my friend.
Hi, I'm Yogaraj. I'm working a professional.
Okay, both of us, we are here. We'll be talking about Ohm's law, and based on Ohm's law, we have developed a project. Okay friends, now I'm going to explain about Ohm's law. Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, it says I equals to V over R, which means current is directly proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to resistance. So based on Ohm's law, we have developed our project here.
Well friends, before making our earthquake detector project, we have developed a circuit diagram as you can see here. So based on the circuit diagram, we have used Ohm's law to design this circuit, and to get the correct measurement, we are running the simulation in this software. So I'm going to show you how the simulation works and what are the values that we will be getting for the voltage and current. Let me run the simulation first. Okay, I'm going to start the simulation now. As you can see, this circuit uses 20.33 milliamp as the current, and the voltage across the LED is 2.29. So based on these values, we have used these values as a reference to design our earthquake detector.
Okay friends, let me show you how our circuit diagram looks like. First, we have the supply as 12 volt. Then it goes to our light, LED light. After that, our circuit, we have a buzzer, and then lastly we have pillar. That pillar will act as a switch. So according to Ohm's law, when the circuit is complete, current will flow from positive and then comes back to negative. Since this is an open circuit, no current will flow. So based on Ohm's law, the current only flows when the switch closes. So in our project, when the string touches the safety pin here, this pillar will act as a switch. So therefore, when the string touches the safety pin, the circuit will become complete and our siren and also the LED will go off.
So now I'm going to show you how our project works. As you can see, the system is already on. There is no siren, no LED light. When there is the earthquake, the string in the pillar will swing, causing it to touch the safety pin, making a complete circuit, which the trigger both of the siren and the LED light at the same time.
Okay friends, we have completed our project. We hope that you liked our project, and thank you very much for watching our video.
Thank you.